Okay, today I'm going to go through the timetable. The timetable display needs to be enabled first. So you need to go into the settings and there's the plugin to enable the timetable. The timetable has a few sections. So first of all, we have this concept of operator. The operators can be listed here. And within each operator, we can either give it a name, description, either image URL or upload a URL. So this allows for when you're showing your timetable to be able to set up uh, what will be displayed. The next is the status. The status is um, anything around the statuses you may have. We have language at the moment, just two languages. So it has statuses like on time, cancelled, arrived, delayed, boarding closed, boarding. So all these are associated with a color code, and we have a default. So the default is what happens when a timetable is created the first time. So in this case, it's on time. Information is just a general image information which can be added that may be required in addition to your timetable for the mobile app as well. So how we set up the timetables is you can create a series of timetables. In this case, we have morning tours, afternoon tours. Within here, we have the ability to add schedules. So here we have the ability to either add a new item or edit an existing one. So it's simple in this case. Our timetables have a tour or operator name. We have an operator. We have departure time. We have a gate specifically if there is relevant, and a remarks if we need to add remarks. And this is, you can just simply add and delete. So on the day of the timetable. So we normally show 2 days because of the midnight overlap. If you have tours going at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., they will overlap into the next day. So here you can see that we have the activated tours as we have the morning and afternoon tour. So during the real time, we have the ability to update the gate. So we could say gate 5, 6, 7, whatever it might be. We have the current departure. We're able to adjust this and add a new departure. So that'll keep a record and this will override the departure. We can add any remarks, such as, you know, meet, meet in the lobby. That would, or another kind of comments will be displayed. And then we have the ability to set the status. So currently the default is on time, but we can go ahead and change these to on time, cancelled, or whatever. If we need to delete one for whatever reason, we can just go ahead and tag it as delete. So in our backend, we can see that the tour is still set up, the timetable is still set up, but the users from their experience won't be able to see this. So the what will happen at this point is that this will be rendered on a screen and a device on your system, and the users will be able to view this timetable, or they'll have a QR code which will allow them to also upload it to their mobile phone. So an example here we can see is the tours here are all listed accordingly of what's happening in the morning and after, and this was mobile friendly. So we can see this in mobile view. In this case, it's iPhone mobile phone, and they can check the times. This will update every 60 seconds, and any information you add will be displayed here for a user to be able to access it, such as a map of where the gates are or anything of that kind of nature. So all this can be managed from that application and easy to kind of edit, modify, and be able to set up those templates and the real-time adjustments for every day.